Okay, so we're over here at a building that I am looking at purchasing. I'm in escrow on it right now in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a little bit different category than multifamily. This is what's considered a triple net lease, a 13,000 square foot commercial building. And a lot of people aren't really super familiar with a triple net lease. I just had the building inspected. Inspector's going to send me the report. And triple net lease, and this is why it's so important when you buy one of these and you're inheriting a tenant that's had a triple net lease for a long time. Triple net simply means that the tenant is responsible for the maintenance on the building, and all triple nets are a little bit different, but here's the basic terminology. Triple net simply means that the tenant is responsible for the taxes, insurance, and maintenance on the building. Also CAM, common area maintenance charges, they are 100% responsible for any charges having to do with the building on a true triple net lease. And if the tenant has been in there 10 years and the landlord or the owner or the manager don't regularly go through the building and do an annual check or every 6 months walkthrough, then the maintenance on the building can really be in disarray, and you don't know it because you think that they're taking care of those things because it's their responsibility. So all of that's good and dandy. Usually there's a security deposit to fall back on should they leave, but if you're inheriting the building in an as-is condition, you want to make sure that you do a thorough inspection of the building and that you're very confident that the tenant has been taking care of those items. So around here, so you can see the building. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see the building itself is here. Yep. And yeah, it's a nice building. We're very, very excited about this one. The renter has been here for a lot of years. It's a solid lease, and you know, some leases, or some triple net leases are actually what's called triple net with exceptions. The exceptions might be the roof. I've been a tenant where the exception was the roof. The landlord was responsible for the roof. The landlord was responsible for the air conditioning. I've been in triple net leases, or double net, if you will, where I had to pay for the air conditioning and I was responsible for the roof. So just want to make sure that if you do decide to purchase the building, you want to make sure that you get a great inspection. And that's her, I think, so far from what I can see. We're going to end up purchasing this one. I think we're going to take it to the finish line with our partners, and yeah, I'll keep you posted.